In today's video, I've found a brand new free website that pays well and quickly. In fact, they pay out over $10 per day and the potential profit is limitless. You're in luck since now you've watched this video. You'll know and understand how to do it correctly and make money anywhere in the globe. In 2022, this will be a simple way to make money on the internet. I'll show you how to make money immediately by leveraging the best and most efficient platforms. If you're interested, stay connected and watch the video till the end, so we can get started with this brand new content. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. Before we begin with the process, I'd like to show you that this app has compensated off a lot of its users. As you'll see, this is a 9-figure sum that they paid out in real cash profits to their customers worldwide. This is how the app actually works. First, download the free software. Second, we'll find different offers. And third, you'll be compensated. It's pretty easy, and the apps are free. But there's one simple error that a lot of people are making, and as an outcome, they can make it $2 every 10 seconds repeatedly, because you must use one feature of this app to make things work. So hang tight to figure out exactly how to set it up correctly. Okay, this is the app you'll use. It's a free app that allows you to earn a profit. The name of this app is Ibotta. Now don't hurry up to the app to try and make money of your own because it won't happen that way. Instead, I'll show you how to set it up on full autopilot, so stay tuned. Ibotta is a cashback app, and as you can see, you can get cashback on groceries and a variety of other items. Don't feel nervous, you wouldn't have to do that. That is not how you'll earn money with Ibotta. Surely that is a great way to save money or earn some extra money, but it will not be our main source of income. Anyway, I would like to show you that they will have you covered with cashback on common transactions like groceries, apparel, travel, and shopping online. With Ibotta, you can earn up to $20 in welcome bonuses by completing your welcome bonuses from a desktop or your phone. It can also be done with just your phone or tablet, which is great. If you choose not to use your phone, you can install the Google Chrome extension on your laptop or computer, which tends to work as well. Download and install Ibotta and search for deals you like to get cashback on, and you'll get a real cashback, which is fantastic. But that's not what we'll be concentrating on because it won't even make you $2 every 10 seconds. After all, you can see that they're partnering with big names like Best Buy, Home Depot, and Target. This is a huge corporation to work for, which is why they pay us so well. If you're shopping at Target, you can now use Ibotta to save a lot of money and earn a lot of cashback on every purchase you make. But I believe it's only for the United States or top-tier countries, so we won't be focusing on that. They also have catchphrases such as "We've got your back" or "We've got your cash back." As you can see, people save up a great deal of money with this free software and free extension. As you'll see on every shopping, you could get a cashback, and it can be really wonderful. It is a good way to save money on product offerings while also obtaining unique offers if you use it. Take a glance at these figures as well. Their users have saved over $1 billion, and as you can see below, Ibotta savers are making big money. $1 billion payback was given out to savers today to clients who use Ibotta to save money and get cashback, which is outrageous. You can also read feedback from individuals around the world who have been using Ibotta to save money by using the cashback feature. How do we intend to earn $2 every 10 seconds? How will we make money by selling this website? If you have a phone, simply go to Ibotta and install the app for free. If you don't even have a phone, simply go to ibotta.com. Go all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on Affiliate, which is right beneath the portion of the work. So if you become a bun referral, you can make big money. You can also make more profit as an Ibotta affiliate partner and you will be compensated $2 for each individual you refer. So for every individual you refer to this website, where they can get a $20 welcome bonus, you'll get paid $2, $40 for 20 people, $200 for 100 people, and so on with no limits. If you browse down just a little bit, you'll see the actual money earnings their users have earned with their affiliate or partner program, which consists of over $1 billion. If you're curious to know how you'll be paid, you'll see you'll be directly paid through their platform $2 for every user referred directly from your website or social channels. Don't worry, you wouldn't need a website and you will not need a social media following. You can do that with 0 Instagram followers. There are no subscribers on YouTube and no likes on Facebook. It really doesn't matter because I'm going to show you how to put it all on autopilot for free. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Alright, let's go to their affiliate page and click on Become an Affiliate right here, which will take you to this page. If you refer somebody to Ibotta using your referral link, you can see if they only get the extension downloads. As a result, customers can easily download an extension to their computer or laptop, and you'll get paid $2 for each registration. So it's a no-brainer to get somebody to register for this free software that can save them a great deal of money. Referring them to Ibotta is way simpler than pushing them to buy anything through your affiliate link or join up for some compensated offer or whichever. They gain a lot from this app and could save them a huge amount of money, plus it's totally free to sign up, so why not? It is basic to reach a large number of signups. First, scroll down a little and complete the application by entering your first and last names in this box, as well as a valid email address. Make absolutely sure you're using a valid email address so you can register and access your emails that are very important. And then create a username for your account, a password, and some personal info. Don't worry, you wouldn't need a company for this. Simply enter your name as a person and paste in the link to the platform you'll be using to drive traffic on autopilot, which we'll go over in a little while. I'll demonstrate to you around the platform. I'll be using it as a traffic source, so copy that URL and paste it into this box, then choose your country. You don't even have to live in the United States. You can reside anywhere else in the globe by downloading a free VPN like Proton VPN or NordVPN to your desktop, setting your location to the United States and leaving it there, and then enter your street address and general information about yourself. Scroll up a little to choose how you would like to be paid before submitting your application. If your application has been approved, you will be given a special referral link to share with everyone. When somebody clicks on it, they will be taken to a page that they can download for free to save and make money, and you will be paid $2 for each registration. Let me tell you the source of traffic for your referral link. You can promote your link on any social media platform, including YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. But I'll be using Trendry, a make-profit online thread. So you can go to Trendry.com and find a large number of people. There are thousands of people who want to make money online while also trying to save money. Then provide some significance or start sharing your referral link with all these folks, and they will be extremely thankful and will eagerly sign up through your referral link and generate a few money because you're sending them to a completely free app, which will save them money and potentially earn them money. It's free to register for them, so why not? As you'll see, you have each of these forums and categories such as make money, forex trading, paid service, review a product, affiliate programs or website, and so on. Let's say I only want to concentrate on forex trading, so I'll open it up to show you how it appears. And as you can see here, there are the threads that were open in this category. And if you sign up for free with Trendry by simply clicking this button here, you will be able to create your own post. You will be able to start your own thread within the money-making forum. Then all of the thousands of people who use Trendry and are going to read those posts will then be able to see your post with your referral link on it. And they will be able to click on it to sign up for free, earning you $2 for each individual. This will only take you just under 10 seconds to publish that into Trendry, so the more you publish, the more signups you'll get. Even if only one thread results in a $2 signup, that's still $2 for less than 10 seconds of work. All you have to do is go to Trendry, copy-paste your calls to action, and leave your referral link. It's as simple as that, and you can repeat the same process in an infinite number of ways. Even though this is the only traffic source you can use, as stated previously, you can discuss this with many groups on Facebook about getting profits, making lots of money online, and saving money and discounts, as there are millions of people who have an interest in that. After all, who doesn't want to save money for free while still earning money? You can also leave your link in the video's description, allowing all audiences to sign up. Now, I'm not going to do that because I'm only here to assist you in earning money online. So there aren't going to be links in the description, but you can do it. You can also create a video on something you've bought and explain how it works, so you can help others to earn and save their hard-earned money, and then add your link in the description, because there is a range of methods and how you can advertise this one for free and get a large number of people to sign up through your referral link. So each individual earns you a couple of dollars, and you can easily refer people and earn at least a few $100s in commissions. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!